Welcome to Five Fires Finance. Today we're going to be talking about Lucid Motors news. Let's fire it up. Here on Five Fires Finance, we talk all things electric vehicle and the news that keeps happening on a daily basis. So please subscribe if you're interested in that information. We do not give any forecasting or anything like that. We just talk about the news that is going down. All right, we're going to go straight into the news article. For this information, it is from Business Daily, and I will put a link in the description if you guys would love to go ahead and read this article for yourselves. Tesla rival Lucid gets big PT hike, but Lucid stock dives as Rivian debuts. Lucid Motors has more room to run despite almost doubling in price over the past month. According to Wall Street firm, but Lucid stock dropped sharply as Rivian rallied in its IPO trading debut. In a note Wednesday, Bank of America analyst John Murphy noted that Tesla rose 30% over the past month. Its newest challenger, white-hot Lucid, leaped 90%. So it's just an incredible thing to have seen lately. He believes both Tesla and Lucid very likely have the ability to raise low-cost capital to fund growth. And that could drive valuations higher, which is what everybody wants, right? Building capacity in the automotive industry is expensive and often generates low returns, Murphy said. However, as has proven the case for Tesla over the past decade, plus the higher upward spiral of stocks for EV OEMs, the cheaper capital becomes to fund growth, he said. And that, he added, is then rewarded by investors with a higher stock price. In his analysis, Murphy found a 10% dilutive equity raise for Lucid could fund 3+ incremental plants and 750,000 plus incremental units of capacity, making it a relatively large global luxury automaker. Holy smoke, that's crazy. And for Tesla, a 10% dilutive equity raise could fund 40 plus incremental plants and 10 million plus units of capacity, making it effectively the largest global automaker. Holy smokes, that's incredible. The words that are in this article are just mind-blowing. Man, following Tesla, Lucid, and soon to be Rivian and everything that's going to be happening with that journey, EV and the subject of just electric vehicles, it's going to be an incredible thing to watch over the next years as a lot of EVs are coming to market and just where things are going in regards to the piece of the pie of this whole EV market, you know. The analyst rates Lucid stock a buy, doubled his price objective PO to 60. What? He rates Tesla stock at neutral, hiking his PO to 1,200 from 1,000. Lucid debuted in July after a reverse merger. It will make its first report as a publicly traded company late Monday, which is going to be a very interesting day for Lucid Motors. I'm curious what's going to go down on that day. And just the positive news, the negative news, and just where things are going in regards to the direction that the company's headed for the next quarter. Milestone for Lucid stock, Rivian. In the past month, Lucid stock emerged as the hottest EV stock. The EV startup outstripped Tesla after starting deliveries of the Air luxury sedan, its first electric vehicle, which they just did their deliveries very recent. Earlier in September, the Lucid Air Dream Edition was confirmed as the longest range electric car. This is a crazy mark right here. I still can't believe that this exists. It delivers 520 miles on one single charge. Deliveries mark a milestone for a startup. Many EV startups failed to live up to the early hype. Amazon-backed Rivian has also begun initial deliveries. Its first EV, the R1T electric truck, delivers 314 miles on a charge. Rivian Automotive rallied 29% on Wednesday, debut after pricing an upsized IPO at $78, above an already raised expected range. Longer electric driving range is key to the adoption of electric vehicles or electric cars. Meanwhile, several other EV stocks are still far from commercialization. They include Fisker, Canoo, and Lordstown Motors. It says here, as a result, we do not believe the capital markets are supportive in funding accelerated growth until the hurdle is cleared, Murphy said. Lucid EV stocks. Shares of Lucid dropped 9% to $40.75 on the stock market today. After setting an 8-month high Tuesday, Lucid is far extended from a $28.49 buy point of a cup with handle base, according to MarketSmith chart analysis. That means shares are not in buy range. Tesla stock rose 4.3% Wednesday, snapping a 3-session slide. That decline came after CEO Elon Musk proposed selling 10% of his Tesla stake, and that all went down on Twitter. Some 58% of Twitter poll responded back the idea. Fisker, whose first EV, the Ocean SUV, is poised to go into production in November 2022, slumped 5.2% to 1849. So what a day. Just so much news from all these EV businesses. I'm excited to where things go here on Five Fires Finance. We're going to keep covering all this electric vehicle conversation. And I can't wait to keep talking about all these changes that are happening and just the news. That's what we're all about. We're all about covering the news. So I know that everything gets lost throughout the day. We're all very busy. That's the whole point of why I do these videos, to keep you informed on Lucid Motors, and then soon to talk about Tesla, Rivian. Oh, there's so much to talk about. It's incredible. It's an incredible time to cover this news. It really is. But thank you for watching Five Fires Finance. Please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button on the way out. Thank you for supporting the fire.